Today we have a review video on a product that is being sponsored by the company that sells it. You guys see an Amazon box here, so I'm about to unbox it, show you guys what it is, use it, and give you my honest opinion. Because me, I don't care if you pay me for it, I'm not gonna lie. So it's the type of time we're on. So let's see if this, okay, so this plastic knife could open it, so let me just get it out the box because it has my address and everything on it. And get another box, and this thing says Top Don AL600 LED light null, made in China. Top Don, that sounds like some Jamaican thing. Top Don, I don't know the thing go. Anyhow, hopefully you guys can see me now as we unpackage the thing that we unboxed, so we can unbox the thing that we unpackage. It's a tight box. Don't demonetize me, bro. It's just some tight box. Damn, this box tight as hell. These angles are probably terrible, but yeah, it's realistic. Alright. Okay, so let's get into it. ArtiLink600 obd2 scanner, ABS, SRS with 3 reset service. ABS system, SRS system, oil reset, SAS reset, BMS reset, obd2 diagnostics. Bumbleclot, there's something I thought about. They can do a bug or something, you know. Oh, has some features on the back. Diagnosis, obd2, ABS, SRS, live data, active tests, and more. Maintenance service, oil, SAS, BMS reset, most 1996 and newer, worldwide obd2 and CAN vehicles. LED light, illuminate the DLC port. DTC, advanced DTC, query and help information. Bumbleclot, this something that take a long time, you know. And if I pause this something and read it. Wow, it actually does quite a bit of things for $100 too. Oh wow, and it's actually a decent size scanner. From the pictures it looks like it's a dinky little thing, but it's actually like a full hand size scanner. And it has like this like serial port thing. Has a USB, what is this? I don't even remember which number USB that thing is, but yeah. And it has inside some sort of some sort of USB memory card reader. So this is how it looks. It's pretty light, but it's not like those super duper light ones. So let's get into it. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna try and one take Jake this video. It's probably not gonna be too possible to do, just in the sense that I have to use 2 hands to do a couple things. Pause. But yeah, as you guys can see, I'm kind of fiddling around with that. So actually, give me a second, let me pause it and we'll get back. Okay, so one thing I could say off the bat is the right side adjuster thingy is, this one is super hard to turn and this one just goes right down. So yeah, hopefully it's not cross starting, but it seems like it's pretty solid. So let's plug it in and see. Okay, let's see, is it touchscreen? No, not touchscreen. scan. Oh wow, this thing actually, like, this is pretty decent looking so far. The responsiveness is pretty decent. I have no idea, so I'm just gonna click the first one, checking Nissan automatic. ABS airbag. No, let's see. Okay, so can't find it. So back. So this is a 10.75. Let's see. Oh, that's why I put ABS scan. So that's what the first one is. So this thing is actually like a little real obd2 computer. It's lighter than the ones that I felt, but from the stuff that I'm seeing, like, it has the same ones as the very sophisticated ones. I've used like some snap-on ones and some like I forget the name, but there's like a red one. I'll probably put a picture up or something. But yeah, let's see. Read codes. Let's just do the first one. So it says evap emission systems leak detected, very small leak. Wow, that's actually pretty what do you call it? Descriptive. Very small leak. Evap system generic, very small leak, again pending. So I have an evap system leak, which I do know, but I just don't know like what exactly the issue is. So, and it has no fault code, so nothing crazy. Let's see. The data stream. View all items. Oh wow, and it's actually showing like, oh, this is actually pretty responsive and decent. Like, I was thinking this was going to be one of those cheap little, like, eBay Chinese, like, obd2 scanners, but this thing is actually pretty decent. Intake air temps says 39 degrees Celsius. Let's see if revving the car. And it goes up live. Wow, this is actually pretty quick. You see, it goes up live. Engine RPM. Okay. Yeah, so no cap, I'm actually pretty surprised about this thing. I was just going to get it and return it, but it looks like I'm going to keep this thing if we're being 100% honest. And I'm going to put a link in the description because this thing is actually fire for $100. And I believe they have a coupon so it gets out to like 99. Yeah, this thing is actually pretty decent. That's crazy. Evap system test. So that an evap system leak. So let's see. Evap system test failed. Let's see the second one. Evap system. So it's the first one. So let's try it again and just see. Maybe second try is a charm. So evap system test failed. Vehicle information. Let's see. Catalyst 1 and 2. FAT. Evap. Let's see. Purge flow. I have no idea what these things are, so I'm just looking and seeing what it says. so no misfires. This, I'm actually surprised. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yes, exit the diagnostic system. Let's see. And you can print stuff and everything. What the hell? DTC lookup. Let me see. P045 6. Okay, so it just says like what the code is, but let's see. Where's the hell button? Oh wow, and it actually tells you something. So P0456 evap system is to guide the gasoline vapor in the tank to canister which stores activated carbon to absorb gasoline vapor. Engine will then use the fresh air to purge the gasoline into engine combustion chamber. If ECU detects leakage with diameter less than 0.04, the DTC will appear because of the failure. Includes fuel tank cap not tightened, leakage in evap system pipeline, gap between evap system pads, canister vent, solenoid not well closed, etc. That's actually crazy. Nah, I'm not even gonna cap. I'm gonna end this video here because this car doesn't really have anything wrong with it and stuff like that. But when I replace the X5M, I'm gonna be able to have like a more sophisticated performance vehicle and see like what it could really do, like if it could show boost and whatever. So yeah, that's pretty crazy. Like so far, this topped on ArtiLink600 obd2 scanner, just from using it so far, and for the $100 price, because I've used some pretty pricey ones, $400 ones, $3,000 ones, stuff like that. Like it does keep up with them. So granted, this one doesn't have a touch screen. I'm pretty sure they do have a touch screen version, and if they I'll put that in the link in the description as well. But so far, I'll give this thing a 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 because I haven't gotten to use it too much, and it's not like a touch screen and stuff like that. So for $100, I don't want to give it anything higher than that because it's just unrealistic. But for what it is and for the price, 8 out of 10, can't beat that. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll probably have some more like sponsored videos. Like, they're not paying me to do this, but they sent me this for free. So yeah, I'll get to you guys in the next one. Peace.